Welcome to the Helium 10 Black Box walkthrough. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Helium 10 Black Box. And you can also use Jungle Scout's Product Opportunity Finder, but for this video, we're going to use Helium 10 Black Box. So the first thing you want to do is go to Helium 10, sign in, and then go under the Tools, and then Black Box over here. You're going to end up on a page like this, and the first thing you want to do is go under Keywords. I like to search under keywords as opposed to products because you can find certain products that do well under a keyword, but when you look at it in its entirety, the keyword isn't that good. So click keywords. Next, we're going to choose the categories. Some categories are gated, meaning you need to have paperwork to be able to sell in that category. So for beginners, choose the categories that I'm going to show you here. If the category is gated, like the baby category, for example, let's say you're selling baby bottle, you have to show to Amazon that that product is safe for kids. So as a beginner, choose the categories that I'm choosing here today: arts, crafts and sewing, home and kitchen, industrial and scientific, kitchen and dining, office products, patio, lawn and garden, pet supplies, sports and outdoors, tools, and home improvement. And we do have a video on gated and ungated categories, so if you want to learn more about that, just make sure you watch that video. So we want to set the search volume at 5,000, and search volume is the amount of searches a keyword gets every month. So 5,000 is not too high, it's not too low, so we want to have it around 5,000. Monthly revenue, you want to pick a product that's doing around $5,000 a month in revenue, and the reason for that is anything that's doing under $5,000 a month, there isn't going to be that much profit left. And you can play around with these numbers. If your budget is very low, obviously drop it, but you can also bring it up higher. But for beginners, I recommend doing something around 5,000. Price range, I would say between $10 to $100. You want it to be a product that's more of an impulse buy. Products between $10 to $50, $60 are typically impulse buys. You can go as high as $100. Products that are over 100, people do more research into. So I would try to avoid products that are over 100 as a beginner. And under $10, there isn't that much profit that's going to be left. So avoid products that are under $10. After Amazon fees and all your costs, there's going to be like little to no profit. So avoid products under $10. Review count, we recommend finding products under 500 reviews, but we're going to set it to 1,000 to open up the search, and then we're going to fine tune the search down the line and validate the product. And you can obviously play around with these numbers. Don't use these exact parameters that I'm using, because if we're all using the same parameters, we're all going to see the same products. Don't use round numbers. I put 5,000 here, maybe put 47, 22, whatever you want to put. Just play around with these. There's obviously more criteria down here. You can play around with these too. Once you're done putting in the criteria, you hit the search button and you get your results right down here. So for example, for the keyword wheat jar, there is almost 6,800 search volume. The average selling price of the products under the keyword wheat jar is $15.22. The monthly sales is 430 units a month. The monthly revenue is 7,600 about. The BSR is 82,000, and the review count is 829 with 4.5 stars. So we're going to show you how to validate products in the future lessons. So keep watching the program and you're going to learn what steps to do next after you find a good product.